Why are standard network firewalls generally considered ineffective against common web application-based attacks? The options are as follows. Option A. They possess the capability to identify and block malicious HTTP-based traffic patterns. Option B. They do not operate at the application layer and must permit traffic on common web ports like 80 and 443.
Option C. They can successfully mitigate these threats if the administrator applies strict enough rules. Option D. They are fundamentally unsuitable for security because their configuration requirements are overly burdensome. To understand this, consider how network firewalls interact with data packets. They primarily filter traffic based on source, destination, and port numbers, rather than analyzing the actual content or payload of the communication.
In my view, the correct answer is option B. Standard network firewalls operate at the network and transport layers of the OSI model. Because web traffic typically flows through ports 80 and 443, these ports must be left open for the application to function. Consequently, a standard firewall simply sees allowed traffic and cannot distinguish between a legitimate request and a malicious payload, such as a SQL injection or a cross-site scripting attack.
IT instructor explaining a certification exam question to students. Explain which answer is correct and why. Option A is incorrect because standard firewalls lack the ability to inspect HTTP patterns. Option C is wrong because no amount of strict port-based rule configuration can overcome the inherent lack of application layer visibility. Finally, option D is incorrect. The issue is not about the difficulty of configuration, but rather an architectural limitation in what the device is designed to inspect. Always remember that specialized web application firewalls are needed for Layer 7 threats.